A company that has established with keeping fundamental principles. A company expanding out to the world with the principles. A company that grows with the consumers and shares selflessly. We are Atomy. Atomy has continued to grow since its establishment in 2009, has reached global sales of $1.3 billion US, also accumulated 6 million members. Beyond the satisfaction of the members, Atomy's #1 goal is customer success. Atomy's efforts do not cease even today. Providing high-quality products at an affordable price. Atomy's competitive edge lies in the nature of distribution itself. Atomy strives for providing absolute quality products at an absolute price. These are the values that Atomy has practiced from its beginning. In all of Atomy's products, including health foods, beauty cares, living, food and beverage, fashion, and household appliances, filled with the philosophy of absolute quality and absolute price. This Atomy's philosophy makes Total trusted brand, which reformed Atomy as a consumer curator. Hemohim has recorded the #1 best-selling single item in direct selling industry for 5 consecutive years. Atomy's Absolute Skincare has also become one of the best-selling products, which has exceeded the $254 million of total sales within 3 years of its launch. The Fame, which has been renewed with Atomy's advanced ingredients and technology, is also loved by the consumers as it encompasses Atomy's product philosophy as well. Starting with the United States in 2010, Atomy has launched 13 branches in regions of Americas, Asia, Oceania, and Europe. Atomy is a global company that has 6 million members worldwide. With its constant annual growth, in 2019, Atomy received the $100 million export tower. There are also more than 2,000 seminars held worldwide annually. In these, communication platforms are actively performing to find possibility of Atomy's member success. Atomy continues to prepare for its launch overseas to countries like China, India, the UK, Germany, Brazil, and Colombia. By sourcing products globally according to Atomy's absolute quality, absolute price strategy, and by distributing them through Atomy's global network, Atomy is implementing its GSGS, Global Sourcing, Global Sales strategy. Atomy Park, located in Gongju City, Chungnam Province, is designed according to Atomy's unique work culture to form a team flexibly according to characteristics of each project. It is also designed to balancing the work and personal life to maximize the creativity of employees and to help the success of the members with various seminars and workshops. Atomy Park will become a home for all Atomyans throughout the world. Atomy's success system that the company directly hosts the seminars and allows anyone to succeed regardless of one's personal abilities is the engine for its growth. Atomy keeps supporting partner companies to just focus on the quality of the products by paying in cash within 1 week of delivery and providing a mutual quality control system. All of such supports foster a healthy cycle of accompanied growth. Charity is must-do mission for every company. In order to improve the quality of life of the society members, Atomy as a company practices sharing along with its employees, partners, and members. Wherever needs help, Atomy global branches become one to conduct the charity and sharing to pursuit of everyone's happiness. A company that adheres to its principles to create a new culture of distribution. A company that is trusted by the world as it expands globally. A company that dreams of the customer success beyond customer satisfaction. A company that cherishes the spirit. We are proud Atomy.
Hello, I am Naveen from Atomy India Logistics team. Here I am today in our Atomy India warehouse, which is situated at Dharuyada border and apart from 60 km from our office. So in our warehouse, we have 3 dock area, 1 for inbound process and 2 for outbound process. So let's see. Here this is our inbound dock area where our import shipment come and offload with the help of HOPT and the reach truck. Firstly, we will keep all the product in our inspections area where we inspect the cargo, and after that we'll put the total quantity in a WMS system which is integrated between Atomy and CJ Darcel's. So warehouse management system, after inputting the GRN, will get the put away plan. According to put away, we place the product in that particular area so that our pickers can easily find the product and save the time. It's depend on the products which is need for open area and that cold storage area. So for example, mask, we place the mask in a cold storage area because it needs a certain temperature. Here you can see, apart from the cold areas and space, we have also our offices here where our documentation and other system work we do. And adjacent to this, we have a customer waiting area where you can come and receive your product. Now I will call Mr. Rahul to explain about the inspection process. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Namaste. Let's see how packaging and inspection process takes place in warehouse. To demonstrate this process, I have a CJ Darcel team along with me, Mr. Man Singh and Mr. Rakshit. Mr. Rakshit is warehouse manager. Let us see a step-by-step process of inspection and packaging first. First, order will be scanned. After scanning, the product name, product code and quantity will be popped on the computer screen. According to the information available on the screen, the box will be picked up from the trolley and one by one product will be scanned. Then after scanning gets completed one by one, the percentage increases. If product is scanned 2 times, then error message will come along with the buzzer sound. Not only that, if there are extra quantity or different product, then also error message gets popped up. After completing 100%, screen will pop up with a message for selecting a packaging box. After scanning the packaging box, label and invoice gets generated automatically. If there is a mismatch, less quantity or more quantity, then label and invoice will not get generated at all. Then we take a printout of label and invoice. Now let us see the packaging process. First of all, bubble sheet will be placed and then one by one product will be arranged in the box. If there is an extra space available, then bubble sheet or balloons will be added to avoid any damage during the transit. After that, Atomy special designed BOPP tape is used to pack the box. Lastly, we paste the label and invoice on the box. You have watched a foolproof system. By this system, you will not get any extra product or less product or mismatched product. Not only this, we have all the resources available on each and every inspection table, like barcode scanner, computer, label printer, invoice printer, and one more thing. Each table will have a CCTV which records nearly 45 days full-time recording. If we receive any complaint during this time, then we go back and see what happened actually on the inspection table. Based on that, we train our packers, inspectors, so that this kind of problem should not happen in the future. Now let us see a dispatch process. Mr. Sunny from the logistics team will explain.
Here you can see the conveyor belt. The parcels are being loaded on the belt and further loaded in the e-com truck, and they will be dispatched to your respective destinations.
This was the total warehousing process. I am very happy that you could able to see this warehouse online. I am proud of our world-class process, and I am sure you are also feeling the same. Because of this world-class process, we are sending world-class product at your doorstep. Thank you.